Sanskriti Namaskar, dear parents and students. Today, let us talk about something that can change the trajectory of your academic journey: Olympiads and external examinations. These competitions are not just tests of knowledge but gateways to new opportunities. They help you discover your potential, build confidence, and develop a growth mindset. By participating in Olympiads and external examinations, you will be able to develop problem solving skills and critical thinking. You will also learn to work under pressure and manage time effectively. Not only this, you will get exposed to new concepts and ideas. These external examinations and Olympiads will help you enhance your analytical and logical reasoning by opening the doors to scholarship, awards, and recognition. Also, they'll guide you prepare yourself for future challenges and competitions. Remember, success is not just about winning, but about learning, growing, and improving with each attempt. So, at Sanskriti, we encourage you all to embrace these opportunities, challenge yourselves, and strive for excellence. Believe in yourself, work hard, and make the most of these experiences. Let us learn about all Olympiads and competitions which we are going to organize in Sanskriti for the current session.
Greetings to Eco Warriors. This is an exciting news for you all. Classes 4 to 12, be ready to showcase your knowledge, skills, and love towards the environment. But wait, how will you do that? I will tell you, just participate in the Green Olympiad 2024, an initiative by the Energy and Resource Institute TERI. With only Rs 200, you can participate in TERI Green Olympiad and showcase your knowledge, skill, and love towards the environment. In this quiz, there will be multiple choice question, no negative marking, an attractive prize for winners, and a certificate for participants. So do not miss this amazing opportunity. Submit your registration amount to Tarun sir because the last date is near, that is 30th August 2024. Thank you Eco Warriors. Bye bye.
Hello everyone. School is excited to share an amazing opportunity with you. The SOF Olympiad is a chance for you to challenge yourself, showcase your skill, and stand out academically. This Olympiad covers a range of subjects and provide a platform to test your knowledge against peers from across the country. It just costs only 150 rupees for one subject. And remember, every participant gain valuable experience in science. Good luck and register yourself in SOF Olympiad.
Sanskriti Namaskar. This opportunity to invite you to the world's biggest spelling bee by Hummingbird Education Limited. Details for the same is registration amount is Rs 200 and 100 rupees is for practice booklet. So total amount payable is Rs 300. Pattern of the question paper is 50 questions in the form of multiple choice and that you have to complete in 60 minutes. Subjects covered for the same is spelling based questions on English grammar, basic and advanced English spellings. Benefits for the same is you will get cash prize, participation certificate, medals and scholarships. Whom to contact? You have to contact Ms. Riya Kapoor and Ms. Prachi Soni for the same, and last date to register yourselves is 31st of August. Thank you.
संस्कृति नमस्कार। पिछले वर्ष की भांति इस वर्ष भी विद्या भारती शिक्षा संस्थान कुरुक्षेत्र द्वारा आयोजित संस्कृति ज्ञान परीक्षा 2024-25 में होने जा रही है, जिसमें कक्षा 3 से कक्षा 12वीं तक के विद्यार्थियों को सम्मिलित किया जाएगा। विद्यार्थियों के लिए परीक्षा का शुल्क 50 रुपये रहेगा। इस परीक्षा का प्रमुख उद्देश्य हमारे देश की पुरातन संस्कृति, एवं संस्कारों को जानने एवं उस पर गर्व करने के लिए तथा इसे अक्षुण्य बनाए रखने के लिए और पीढ़ी प्रसारित करने के लिए उसका ज्ञान होना आवश्यक है। इसी कार्य को पूर्ण करने के उद्देश्य से इस परीक्षा का आयोजन किया जाता है। इसके अलावा हमारे विद्यालय में विगत कई वर्षों से अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हिंदी ओलंपियाड नई दिल्ली द्वारा एक ओलंपियाड आयोजित किया जाता है। इस ओलंपियाड में कक्षा 1 से 12वीं तक के विद्यार्थियों को सम्मिलित किया जाता है, जिसमें परीक्षा का शुल्क 150 रुपये रहता है। इस परीक्षा का प्रमुख उद्देश्य यह होता है कि इसमें विद्यार्थियों के बौद्धिक क्षमता का आकलन एवं भाषा संबंधी ज्ञान में वृद्धि होती है। यदि विद्यार्थी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर प्रथम आते हैं तो उनका प्रथम पुरस्कार 21,000 रुपये रहेगा। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर द्वितीय स्थान प्राप्त करते हैं तो 11,000 रुपये की राशि प्रदान की जाएगी और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर तृतीय स्थान प्राप्त करते हैं तो 5,000 रुपये की राशि प्रदान की जाएगी। इसके अलावा सभी सहभागियों को सर्टिफिकेट व मेडल प्राप्त किए जाते हैं, प्रदान किए जाते हैं। धन्यवाद।